In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bulk delete Mailchimp contacts. This is an important process to manage your email lists more efficiently and keep your audience updated. Now before we dive in, a word of caution: deleting contacts is a permanent action, and once they're gone for good. So be absolutely sure it's what you want to do, as this process cannot be undone. Alright, let's get started. First, you'll need to log into your Mailchimp account. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one, but assuming you do, just enter your login credentials and you'll be ready to go. Once logged in, your next step is to navigate over to the Audience tab. This is where all your contacts are housed. On your Mailchimp dashboard, look for the Audience tab and click on it. From there, you'll select All Contacts, which will direct you to your contacts list page. Here's where you'll see all the contacts that you've built up over time. Now you'll want to start selecting the contacts you wish to delete. You have a couple of options here. If you want to delete specific contacts, simply tick the checkboxes next to their names. And if you're aiming for a more blanket approach, perhaps clearing quite a few contacts, there's a handy checkbox at the top of the list right beside the name column. Clicking this will select all the contacts visible on the current page. For those managing a larger database with multiple pages of contacts, there's an additional option. Once you've clicked that handy top checkbox, you should see an option appear to select all contacts. Go ahead and choose that if you want to perform a more comprehensive purge. With your contacts selected, it's time to move on to deletion. Look to the upper right corner and find the Actions button. Clicking this will bring up a drop-down menu where you'll find the Delete option. Now, Mailchimp doesn't want you accidentally deleting all your contacts, so before anything is finalized, you'll be prompted to confirm the deletion. Once this confirmation message pops up, it's your chance to review and make absolutely sure that these are the contacts you want to delete. Take a moment to double check your selections, because after this step, there's no going back. When you're fully confident, go ahead and click delete. And that's it. You've successfully bulk deleted contacts in Mailchimp. Remember, keeping your contacts updated and organized gives you a cleaner slate to engage effectively with your audience. Thank you for following along, and I hope you find this process as seamless as possible. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Happy managing!